Ramogi TV kaendi. Kambi mar okumba mar Directline Assurance omiyo duol mochung' ne tayo kembe mag okumba kata Insurance Regulatory Authority seche 24 mar wito oko nyinge direktas 4 mayangore ni ne omigi lemono e tok chik. Ponono ni duol no rem wito oko nyinge direktas 4 go e bwo seche 24 mabiro. Kambi mar Directline Assurance oramo ni gidhi kawo okang' mager ne commissioner mar duol mar IRA miluongo ni Godfrey Kiptum. E oboke mano chwal kod okil mar Directline Dunstan Omari, kambi no dhi kawo okang' mager ne Godfrey Kiptum e wi lal mar omenda ma Directline Assurance oseyudo kaachiel gi ketho mar keto ji 4 go e telo ataro mar chik. Cleophas Oluoch nikod ler mar wachni.
Weg kambi mar Directline Assurance kokalo kuom okil margi Dunstan Omari omedo chwalo chung' margi ni onego kawo okang' mapiyo mar reso mwandu mar kambi mar okumba mar Directline Assurance kendo rango ni giluwo chike ma doho ne ogolo.
4 audit reports have been done that show that from when the insurance company was registered and licensed, SK Macharia and Miss Macharia gave the 250 million that gave the licenses for Directline to start operations. SK Macharia did not start running Directline. Instead, he opted to run Royal Media Services, which runs the brand Citizen Radio and Citizen TV. His son, the late John, when he grew up, he was given to run Directline. He died, and SK Macharia, as the father, took over the running of Directline. Fraudulently, with the support of that Mr. Kiptum, fake directors who have never contributed a coin into the share capital were registered as owners and shareholders of Directline.
Engur maduong' manochwale doho yangore ni form mar lesen mapodho kembe CR12 mar kambi no ni kod director mamoko 4 ma orwaki kanyo e tok chik.
We have gotten instructions to do a demand letter to the commissioner in charge of Insurance Regulatory Authority, one Mr. Godfrey Kiptum. What we have done to Kiptum is to write to him on the following terms. 1, Mr. Kiptum held an informal meeting with SK Macharia and Ms. Macharia and other government operatives. And it was agreed that the CR12 that generates fraudsters as shareholders of Directline be rectified. This was a decision that was conveyed to the Minister for Finance, Honorable Waziri Mbadi.
Okinde mag Macharia wacho ni ponono duol matayo kembe okumba e pacho kae, Insurance Regulatory Authority, orem wito oko nyinge directors 4 go e bwo seche 24 mabiro. Kambi mar Directline Assurance dhi kawo okang' mager ne commissioner mar duono Godfrey Kiptum.
We have provided evidence to show that the shareholding should revert to SK Macharia and Ms. Macharia. 2, we have very firm instructions to sue Kiptum not as a government officer. We are going to sue him in his personal capacity. He will have to hire his own advocates to defend him. The Attorney General will not defend him because this one is an act of corruption.
Kaluwore gi Omari, kambi no oseyudo lal mar omenda moheo bilion 7 ka olero ni tend kambi no onego duoki e lwet Dr. SK Macharia.
7 billion shillings has been stolen from Directline. So SK Macharia is worried in the event an accident happens, where will the money come from to compensate those Kenyans who will get hurt in that accident?
Kambi mar Directline Assurance yango ni gisechwalo ng'ur ne duol makedo gi mibadhi pacho kae mar chako timo nonro e wi apisas mag IRA e wi tiyo marach gi apis.
We have equally notified the EACC to start investigating one Kiptum and also investigate the people at the company registry.
Weg kambi seyo report manogolo chik gi commissioner mar IRA Geoffrey Kiptum. Cleophas Oluoch, Ramogi TV.